When to file a supplemental claim with your insurance carrier. After a storm, most homeowners file the initial flood claim, meet the adjuster, and receive an early payment. That first check is often based on quick inspections and incomplete information. A supplemental claim is how you ask the insurer for more money later when new damage is discovered, repair costs come in higher than expected, or code permit requirements change the scope. It's normal and it's allowed. So when should you consider a supplemental claim? After you open walls, cabinets, or floors and uncover hidden damage or mold. Other times, contractor bids or material prices exceed the insurer's estimate. Sometimes the local building codes require different methods of construction or upgrades to repair properly or meet new building codes. What do you want to gather? A revised contractor estimates with quantities, unit costs, and photos tied to each line item. Invoices, change orders, and proof of payment for completed work. Photos, video showing pre-mitigation and post-demo conditions, date stamped if possible, as well as pre-storm photos. Any code citations or letters from the building department showing required methods. A content spreadsheet with item descriptions, age, model, and reasonable replacement costs. How to submit. Contact your insurer or flood program handler and say you're filing a supplemental. Send a short cover note that lists each added line, why it's new, and which document backs it up. Keep the file organized by room area. Be responsive if the insurer asks questions. It shortens the cycle. Timelines and expectations. There are deadlines for documentation and proofs of loss. Check your policy packet and follow the latest instructions from your carrier or flood program. If you're close to a deadline, submit what you have and note that more documentation is forthcoming. Remember, supplemental claims can be filed after an initial payment. You don't forfeit your right to be made whole just because you deposited the first check. Where public adjusters fit. A public adjuster, PA, represents you, not the insurance company. As a public adjuster, I inspect and scope the damage thoroughly, build line item estimates and contents inventories, handle documentation, negotiations, and follow-ups with the insurer, help align estimates with code requirements and actual contractor pricing. How I get paid. Public adjusters are usually paid a percentage of the claim payout contingent fee. State laws often cap these percentages, especially during declared emergencies. So verify the legal limit where you live and make sure the fee is clearly written in the contract. Avoid anyone who asks for large upfront payments or guarantees a specific dollar outcome. Tips to maximize a fair result. Keep a simple claim log, dates, who you spoke with, and what was exchanged. Label every photo and tie each to a line item in your estimate. Don't rush to settle if demolition reveals more damage. Update the scope first. For contents, be systematic. Room-by-room lists beat memory guesses. Ask about any special coverages in your policy, e.g., code-related cost allowances, and how to trigger them. Bottom line, the supplemental process is the normal path to a complete settlement after flood losses. If you have the time, organization, and patience, you can self-manage it. If not, as a qualified public adjuster, I can take the lead by documenting the full scope and value of the loss, helping you receive the funds you are entitled to receive.